So have a great day, sir. So if you're watching this, so based on the link that you have given or provided, so the two links in gas laws was actually talks about its gas law. So generally there are five according to the video. So those are the Boyle's law, the Gay-Lussac's law, combined gas Charles law, combined gas law, and ideal gas law. So when we say Boyle's law, where the temperature became here constant, in Gay-Lussac's naman po is volume becomes constant. And in combined gas law, in short, there are just the combination of the Boyle's law and the Gay-Lussac's law. So therefore, in Boyle's law, we have the formula of P1 V1 is equals to P2 V2. And the Gay-Lussac's law is we have actually pressure 1 divided by T1 or temperature initial is equals to pressure 2 and over temperature final. So the combined gas law is gitibo lang to siya. So mo sa video mo nga P1 V1 is equals to P1. So P2 V2 is equals to T2. And then after that is a Charles law is we have actually the volume over the temperature So that it was actually the four basic laws. Then pag-abot sa ideal gas law, it was became one as it is combined. So that's why we have what they call the ideal gas law. So it compromises of all those laws. So mathematically, ideal gas law expressed as PV is equals to nRT or pressure times volume is equals to the number of moles, the R, and the temperature in Kelvin. So here guys, Lossac laws, it is not that complex situation it is not a complex to understand, but we still manage to follow the rules, the basic rules of identifying those given. So all we need to do is that we should first takes into its right units of all the given, because yes, not all the given will be given directly. So there might be some execution or some application on basic knowledge or the prior knowledge from the advanced mechanics or what kind of physics related. So that's how it is important. So in identifying its most and the rest of that. So now from the second law of thermodynamics, so these are actually 5 videos if I'm not mistaken. So they are all the same talks about the second law of thermodynamics. So in first thermodynamics, so they're actually talking about that energy cannot be created nor destroyed. So maybe this is actually related to the first law of thermodynamics, but this law was actually measures if the process is spontaneous or not. So this is actually a law that governs the direction of the process. So unlike sa kadto, so ang mahitabo din niya is ang focus sa second law is we have also the terms in second law of thermodynamics, which is the entropy. So simply put, the disorderness. But aside from that, let's just go back. So for examples, when we are actually talks about the spontaneity or not. So when we say spontaneous process, these are no external forces being inserted just to function the process. So it really go with it, or it really function as it is. Nawalay nagbunit or nawalay sa iyahang process. So again, the entropy is the disorderness. So the change of entropy of the universe is kana siya ang mag-solve sa niya. So this is also be able to identify if the process would not be So the process was followed the principle of second law of thermodynamics. So in other words, when we say second law of thermodynamics, it states that it is from the higher energy to lower energy. So simply put, that the heat will flow spontaneously from cold, but not cold can flow spontaneously from being a hot, from being a hot one. So there are many applications of this in our real world situation. So yes, we should simply put that second law of thermodynamic is from higher energy to lower energy. So this is the analogy. So if you try to have your raw egg, this imo siyang ilabay. So this is one of the example that really hits me sa video that where I actually understand the better about the second law of thermodynamics. About the thermodynamics, I don't know kung asa to siya na video, kung I don't know. Nawala na siya, yes. Pero ano siya dito nga, gibuak niya ang egg. Then after that, so, pagbuak is na-crack siya, yes, literally na-crack. So, katod, ilabiyad dito siya mabalik into its original form. So, that is what represents a lower energy. So, gikan sa bupas which is the higher energy, pagbuak is na lower energy, then, di na po siya mabalik into its original form. So, that is actually what we call the second law of thermodynamics. And second law of thermodynamics will be expressed or can be solved mathematically using the change of entropy of the universe is equal to the change of the systems plus change of the surrounding. But there are many cautions or precaution in using this one, because we are actually looking into its spontaneity. So if that certain process is not actually follow the second law of thermodynamics, then I guess we should not solve that one, or unless if we are just only to identify if that process is following a second law of thermodynamic. So there are just these examples no given yapon sa video the coffee. So according to him, so if ang heat daw is nag-absorb siya from the surrounding of 10 joules so with the system's temperature na 45 degrees Celsius in the surroundings 25 degrees Celsius. So since kaya nag-absorb siya gikan sa low energy to higher energy, so di ba it is already breaking the rule of second law of thermodynamics. So mas dili ni siya process. It is not actually the process of second law. Kaya nga nung nagikan siya sa lower to higher. So that is what we are going to do. So in addition for that, there are a mathematical expression to be able to identify and that using those formula nga katong the entropy change of the universe is equal to the change of the system plus the change of the surrounding. So with that, we can be able to understand if this one follows a second law of thermodynamics. So sa end mo na if negative and positive. So negative, of course, does not are what to siya follow kan ka, diba? The kuan with the entropy is the change of the system or the universe is greater than 0. So therefore, 1 and higher is dapat kuan pa siya sa kuan. And lastly one of the examples ka na daw balon. Diba kung mabustot ang balon, so there are air outside. So instead, mabustot ba kayo, musulod ang tubig hangin dito. Yes, kanaba yung hole. But the thing is, dili siya musulod. It is because ang dito sa sulod is mas kusog iya or mas kuan ang iyang energy level dito or mas kuan siya gusto to air pressure inside will go out because the pressure inside the balloon is higher than the outside. So, mas dakong pressure ang nasa sulod sa balloon kaysa sa outside. Therefore, ang katong dako mo to siya mo adto sa gamay nga level. Therefore, katong air nga na dito sa balloon mo to siya mo gawas. Not the na dili katong nasa gawas daan nga mga hangin maoy mo sulod sa balon. So, and also, one of its application, yes, katong sa kung ano, it was not actually part of the video, but I really realized that air conditioner was actually following a second law of thermodynamics. Yeah, because imagine, yeah, because imagine nga, may nga may nga sila nga, sa tinapuntahan ka, gawas ang aircon. And now, I guess I learned more, or I learned a little bit about second of thermodynamics, and I could say that that is not true, diba? Because the pressure, because the pressure was not, because kay ano dito sila. So inana siya. So that's what I learned in that video.